All right, today for our reading practice, we're going to work on blending and hearing the letter sounds become a word, because that's a really tricky topic. And I've got some advice for you today. All right, so first, let's say all the sounds I have up on our board just to make sure that we're on the same page. All right, look at this one. What does it sound? Ah. How about this one? Eh. How about this one? Mm. This one? Mm. Awesome. You notice when I say the sounds, I kind of stretch them out a little because that's a way to help us with our blending. Ah, eh, mm, t. And then the T is a stop sound. It just stops our voice, so we can't stretch that out one very long. So we have some stretch sounds and some stop sounds. Let's do some reading with these. All right, let's pick a really easy one to start with. All right, so we have this sound, ah, and we have this sound, So when I sound it out, ah, If I leave a space in between those letters, it can be hard to hear that word. We want to take that space out by keeping our voice on. When you say the letters, feel your voice, feel your neck here, and you can feel your voice on. Say ah, and feel your voice. Ah. Say and feel your voice. Both these letters are voiced. So we want to keep our voice on and not leave a space in our voice when we blend it. All right, let me push my letters together. We took out that space, so let's keep our voice on when we sound it out. Ready? Try that again. By stretching out those letters, keeping my voice on when I read, I call this reading slowly. We read this word slowly. Now, let's just say that fast. Am. That's the word, am. So when you keep your voice on, you read the word slowly, you can listen for it and say it faster and faster until you can read the word. This word is am. Let's try another one using all those strategies. All right, I have two letters here. Let's say what our letters are. I, Okay, I had a voice in between. I had a space in my voice, so it was hard to hear that word. Let's squish them together and keep our voice on. Ready? In. Read it again. In. All right, see if you can read it slowly. In. And read it faster until you can read it fast. In. This word is in. Awesome job hearing those sounds. All right, let's try with a stop sound. All right, we have this word sound, eh, but if you feel your voice, you don't really hear the t in your voice. It doesn't have its voice on. But we can still take that space out. Instead of saying it, we can keep our voice on and run right into the stop sign. All right, let's try it. It. What word? It. So those are our strategies for blending words, keeping our voice on when we read, saying it slowly as many times as we need, and then listening for the word so that we can say it fast. Awesome. On the next page, I'm going to put some words for you to practice, and then there'll be a video you can check yourself if you got the words right.